Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have recently got your hands on one of the new RTX 5000 series graphics card, first of all, lucky you. But if you are also dealing with weird crashes, driver errors, or random bugs, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're gonna break down what's actually going on with NVIDIA, the current driver issues, and why so many people are starting to get frustrated with how NVIDIA is handling things lately. When the RTX 5000 series was announced, a lot of us were hyped. I mean, we're talking next-gen performance, crazy fast ray tracing, better AI capabilities, and more efficient power usage. Benchmarks looked amazing at first. People were seeing big improvements over the RTX 4000 series in both gaming and productivity apps. But just a few weeks in, things started to get shaky. Games started crashing, FPS started dipping, and weird bugs popped up even in normal Windows usage. So what happened? Let's talk about drivers, because that's where most of the current problems seem to be coming from. After launching the RTX 5000 series, NVIDIA started pushing a lot of driver updates. Some of these were game-ready drivers and others were stereo drivers. But here's the catch: instead of fixing bugs, some updates made things worse. People started reporting stutters in games like Cyberpunk, crashes in Call of Duty, random screen flickers, and even audio issues. And the worst part, if you are using GeForce Experience, NVIDIA kinda forces you to install the latest drivers, even if the last one was more stable. I don't get it, NVIDIA. Sorry, I don't really get it. There is not a lot of choice anymore. So what's NVIDIA's deal here? Why are they pushing updates so aggressively if they are not stable? Well, from what I've seen, and this is just my opinion, it looks like NVIDIA is focusing more on collecting performance and usage data with every new update. That means they're using more telemetry and AI-driven optimization, which sounds good on paper, but it's kinda turning us into guinea pigs for driver testing. It's like we're part of public beta test, even though we paid full price for these high-end cards. So here is my honest advice: if you haven't bought an RTX 5000 series card yet, maybe wait a little bit. Let the driver situation stabilize, let NVIDIA catch up with their bug fixes, and keep an eye on user feedback, not just benchmark numbers. If you already have one and you're dealing with problems, try rolling back to a more stable driver version if you can, or even switch to the stereo driver if you don't play the latest games. Sometimes it's more stable. Personally, I still love NVIDIA's hardware, but the software side, yeah, it's rough right now. Look, NVIDIA makes amazing GPUs, no doubt, but pushing updates without fully testing them while locking users into their driver system, it's just not cool, especially at these prices. I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you using a 5000 series GPU right now? Any problems? Or are you thinking about upgrading soon? Drop comment below. I read all of them, and I know a lot of us are in the same boat. If you found this video helpful or relatable, consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more honest takes on tech, gaming, and hardware news. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, keep your driver stable, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.